Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to change language on Zoom. To change language on Zoom application, the first thing to do is to launch Open Zoom app from your app drawer. Also make sure that you are logged into your account, and once you are, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner in order to change your language. Now click on the gear button at the upper right corner from your profile page. This will open up the settings menu. Tap on the app language option and select the language of your choice from the list available on the screen. After you select a language, your application will restart with the chosen language of your choice. So that's how you can easily change your language on Zoom. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.